Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maryam and I am from the Department of BS Chemistry. My ID is 004 and this is basically the project 2. As I have told, the project 1 is all about the SQL and project 2 is all about the Python. And we are at the second course, Introduction to Python, that is submitted to Dr. Hammad. Great. So, before moving towards our main course, we should be familiar with the contents and the chapters that we are going to discuss in this presentation. In the first chapter, we will discuss what is Python calculator, creating variables in Python basics. And in the second chapter, we will discuss Python list, in which how to create a list, subset and conquer, replace list element are the main things in it. In the third chapter, function and packages, familiar functions and import packages will be discussed. While in the fourth chapter, NumPy array and 2D NumPy array will be discussed. And at last, my statement of establishment will be shown. So, in Python basics, Python acts as a calculator. Here we can see that addition and subtraction. It can easily print these two functions. On the other hand, it can also do for multiplication, star is used. For division, slash is used. For modulo, percentage is used. For exponentation, this sign is used. So if we want to calculate anything, we can use Python as a calculator, creating variables. For example, we want to use 100. So we will give them a name. Here we have given them a name savings, which is equal to 100. And this is how we can calculate by giving them a name. The second thing is how to create a list. Hall, kid, living room, bed, and bath. These all are the variables, and we have assigned the numbers to that. And this is how we created a list. And whenever we want to print that list, the values of the list will come. Subset and conquer. If we have created a list, and after that, the very next step will be how to subset these. If we want to choose the one, we will select hallway. And if we want to choose the last one, we will use -1. And if we want to choose the living room, which is on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, thus it is selected. The other thing is how to replace list element. If we want to replace the list element, we can simply use this thing. For example, the -1 is here. We can see that the -1 is 10, 50. So we can replace the living room, this, to the chill room. This is on the point 1, 2, 3, 4. So living room is on the 4th. So we can replace it, the 4th number, with the chill zone. This is how it will be replaced. The other functions and the packages are, if we want to create a variable, variable 1 and variable 2, variable 1 will be variables and variable 2, it means it's true. So we want to type the variable 1 and variable 2, and then we can print it out. And same goes for the other. So import package. For import, we use import function, and we can calculate the problems through it. NumPy. If we want to NumPy array basically create a list for, then import the NumPy packages as NumPy. Then how to create a NumPy array. There will be a NumPy and the data frame means table, and then nb.array with the data frame in the brackets. This is the syntax of this. For 2D NumPy, we use basically np base with the type. This is my statement of establishment to the introduction to Python. And thank you, that's all from my side.